Hey everybody, I have box 2 of the FABFITFUN seasonal box. This is the second box for the summer, and this is a seasonal box from FABFITFUN, and it costs $79.99. You get to customize the 6 items. There are 6 different categories, and this box is worth what I picked and customized. This box is worth $294 worth of product. I'm going to get into this too because I have about 3 videos that I have to get out to you tonight. So first item I have that I end up picking, you can refer back to actually my other video on FABFITFUN, the box 1, and it goes over items that are in that customization choices. So I'm just going to go over really quick what I picked in this box, so instead of reiterating the same information. So this one I picked for customization 1 is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Face Serum. This retails for $92, and it's a nightly essential serum that delivers results against fine lines and texture. It actually says within 14 days you will see the results of this product. So that's probably why it's so expensive, $92. So I would pay that if I definitely saw results and they were like permanent and they worked, you know, for me. This has retinol, it has retinoid, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, botanicals, and it's also good for all skin types. So that's the first one. Second item for customization 2 is the Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. It's the large bottle. It's the largest bottle that they make of this, I believe. It's a 5-ounce bottle, and I am glad to have this. There's been some dupes out. They've been trying to, you know, copy this product, but I don't know if they have it down exactly. So this is a $36 item, and it's beautiful. It's in this glass bottle, and it's just phenomenal. The packaging, I absolutely love it. And let's see the top. It has just a little pull, and then you shake it out into the palm of your hand and then pat that onto your face. So that is the toner. Customization 3 is the one size, and it's the Secure the Sweat-Proof Aluminum-Free Primer. So this is a primer. This is what you would use before you put your foundation on. You put your moisturizer on. Put this primer on, let it sit for a minute or 2 so it you know, settles and, you know, kind of firms up and sets, and then go ahead in with your foundation. So this retails for $34, and the product looks like this. It's like a metal tubing, and I have not used, oh, and I did open this because I wanted to see what the product actually looked like. And it's a very, it's not a very thick formula. So I thought it would be more like a silicone, but it's not. It's almost like a moisturizer type of consistency to it. And so we'll let that dry and see what that looks like. And then customization 4 is the Dr. Brandt Skincare. It's the Advanced Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliant. And I'm actually using this right now. I have another tube of this in the shower. I use it about twice a week, once every 3 days. And it exfoliates a microdermabrasion, meaning it's going to get that first layer off. And it's, you know, supposed to help smooth your texture on your skin, minimize your pores. This retails for $79. And I believe it. Dr. Brandt is a very good and expensive brand. So this is the 4th customization. Customization 5, I believe I picked this in my last box. I can't remember. This is a Topicals brand, Clearly Clarifying and Calming Mist. It has 2% salicylic acid, hypochlorous acid, which helps kill the surface bacteria. The salicylic acid unclogs your pores and absorbs excess sebum. And there's a glycolic acid in it that retexturizes and brightens your skin. So, and this is what the product packaging looks like. And it has a pump spray to it. And you just, you know, shake it and then go ahead, spray that onto your face or onto your back or your chest, wherever you need that help with acne and blemishes. So, and it's a product that says you can use on the go, put it in your purse, you can use it all day long. Very good product, and that retails for $26. And the last item I have is for customization 6 is the First Aid Beauty Cream to Foam Cleanser. It says it's gentle pH balance cleanser, dissolves makeup dirt, SPF without stripping your skin. It has no alcohol, no parabens, and no artificial fragrance. This is very good. This whole brand I love. There's not one product that I don't love by First Aid Beauty, and it's very good for sensitive skin. So if you need something, if you tend to break out or your skin gets irritated, this is an excellent brand. So this retails for $27. And I did pick up one add-on. I added on, I forgot which customization category it was in, but I picked up this day. It's the Mirage Mist Leave-In conditioner for your hair. And it's almost like a milky, creamy consistency. So I can't wait to use this. My hair, I need help bad. This box actually came with a new brand, and you actually get a coupon for a buy one, get one free, and it's called Malt. It's a dairy-free milk substitute. So I will definitely try that. They have some really good recipes inside, and I'm going to use that one for a tomato bisque and then a vegan cornbread. So that was nice. I'm glad to have that. And then they also sent in a little fruit bite gummies from this pure organic brand. And so anyways, that is the box for box 2, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.